Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Samsung Cloud on Galaxy A56. Let's begin. First, you want to go into the settings and make sure you are logged in into your Samsung account, as obviously it won't work if you are not logged in. Then you need to scroll down a little and you need to find accounts and backup. Here we click it, and as you can see we have two options for Samsung Cloud. We can either backup data or restore it. Obviously we want to back it up, so we simply hit backup data. Though as you can see my Samsung Cloud application is not to date, so I'm going to update it. Okay, we'll have to wait for a moment. This should work automatically. Okay, now it's done. And your applications should update automatically. And right here we can see what we can back up. We can back up call logs, messages, contacts, the whole settings, even applications. I'm going to simply hit settings, as it doesn't take a while. It doesn't take long. If I would check the apps, then the process of backup data would take a long time, obviously. And now after we see that all data is backed up, right here at the top, all we need to do is simply hit done. And now our backup is done. We can now leave it. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.